Welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Today we are going to do a quick video for you guys. Remove the compressor of this 2013 Toyota Fielder. So guys, the reason why I removed this compressor is because the switch that sends signal to the computer to turn on the AC system damaged. So as you know guys, it's two plug-on work on this type of hybrid compressor. So this is the switch that damaged. As you look inside of it, you can see that it corroded. So I'm going to show you the one now that we're going to install. And guys, this type of compressor, don't use the serpentine belt. It's a full electric compressor. So as you look inside of the switch, this switch is good. Just have a little break on the housing. So we're adding some oil to the compressor now before we fit it on the vehicle. So we finish add the oil, and it's time now to bolt on the compressor on the engine. So we're catching the 4 bolts that hold the compressor on the engine. We're using the 12 socket with the ratchet angle, tightening up the compressor on the engine. Then we are going to install the 2 electrical connection, then the low side and the high side pipe. We're going to start the vehicle now and turn on the AC. So when you see the ready there guys, that means the vehicle is on and also the AC turn on. So we already pressure test, vacuum. Now we are recharging the system. Guys, we finished recharge the system. AC cap setting. I'm going to check inside. And the AC is blowing cold. Another successful job from Curb School Year Auto. Guys, please like and share this video.